If your 6.0 Power Stroke's got a hot no start, it's probably your high pressure oil system. Best way to find the leak in that is pull your IPR out. There's a fitting that goes in there, goes the end of that hose, goes in. That hooks up to air pressure with a gauge and shut off and such things. Once you got that hooked up, you can listen. I found you can generally listen in here. This is your crankcase ventilation, and in your oil fill. You'll hear the leak on either side if it's a bad one for sure. Whichever side sounds worse, pull that side apart, fix that side. Then if it's still leaking, you know to do the other side. It's probably standpipes. Arguably you should just do both if one side's leaking, but whichever side sounds the worst, pull that side apart. That's probably the side it is, unless it's both sides, because obviously your crankcase is connected so you can hear from either side.